Kelly Chevrolet Special.
Wow! This guy gets so pumped up. It's unbelievable. Here he comes.
Folks, he had her going and got problems. He just got through working on this thing all day long and looked like Rodney Martin. All right.
Here comes our other heavy triple. Let's see what he does. 3 engines.
We got Bill Thalman out of Hopkinsville, Kentucky. The heat is on. August 8th and 9th, I think it is, down there in Lexington, Alabama. Here he comes. Whoa! Steve Klingenberg out of Holland, Michigan.
This tractor, you know, just not too long ago, and last night, I know you weren't happy, but I'm going to tell you what, I wish I could have had a picture of your smile after you made that run tonight, an earlier run.
You should have seen yourself whenever I did good.
Well, that's exactly right. I was excited. Well, from one ham to another, here we go. It's the Clifty Farms ham. Congratulations on 3rd place. We also got some Pepsis and some Diet Pepsi or Pepsi and Mountain Dew for you. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a nice round of applause. He's on his way with this tractor. I'm going to tell you, he's going to do good before it's over with. David Richardson from E-Town, Kentucky. All right. And you could tell when he made that full pull tonight how excited he was. But what motor let you down tonight?
The one in the front corner didn't handle me about 20 pounds of oil pressure. And he didn't make a good run. I felt like maybe I could do it with 4. I had 3rd for sure, and I ain't going to wreck it. If he would have made a good run, I would have ran it anyway.
So you got a lot of maintenance to do to it before you head out north?
Yeah. Well, we better put bearings in after this weekend. It's going to need it.
It's going to need it. Well, congratulations on a great run. And not bridesmaid tonight, winner last night. Our friends from, of course, Snap-on Tools going to give you the toolbox. You get the Igloo cooler. Your Pepsis and that are inside. There's a check waiting for you somewhere around here. Ladies and gentlemen, Steve Klingenberg. Let's give him a nice round of applause out of Michigan. Hey, how's that feel, Rodney?
Well, it feels real well. It feels real well. Been here for a couple of years to get here in the winner's circle, and we've always had a little bad luck. It finally come together for us tonight.
Well, we're real excited about it. I know you guys were. You had a real good, big expression on your face tonight. The Martin brothers are back after winning the 1996 championship. Hey, you're going to keep on going now, aren't you?
Yeah, we hope. We've got the season started off right. We made a lot of changes on the tractor today, and maybe we're headed in the right direction.
All right, next stop is?
No, don't know for sure yet.
Going to be at Evansville?
Maybe.
Maybe. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a nice round of applause. Your winner tonight in the mod category.